Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, those of you who follow Nigerian politics would be aware that people are not voted into posts at the ballot box in Nigeria. No, people are slotted into positions at the collation rooms and situation rooms. So I came across this story that I wanted to share with you guys. So it goes, PDP says hackers have shut down INEC server to enable APC rig. So that's the title. PDP says hackers have shut down INEC server to enable APC rig. PDP's spokesman said that the presidency has instructed INEC not to announce election results. The People's Democratic Party, PDP, has alleged that hackers have shut down the servers of the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. According to a statement signed by the party's spokesman, Mr. Kola Ologbondiyan, the downtime is to frustrate INEC from transmitting results and give room for the All Progressive Congress APC to rig. Ologbondiyan also said that the presidency has instructed INEC not to announce the election results. Then it goes on to give us a full statement. So the statement then goes on to read in full, and I'm not going to really read you the statement in full because it is quite lengthy, but I might well put a link to the story in the description, so I might well do that. But really, I just wanted to flash that up. So now this is now what is going on. Is deja vu all over again. We've been here before. We all know this is the format of elections in Nigeria, and as I started off, I repeat again, anybody that follows elections in Nigeria would know that people are not elected into post. People are slotted into post in situation rooms and collation centers. So that is really what appears to be playing out now. This is just an allegation by the PDP, by the way, and they have vested interest. We should really take this with a pinch of salt and await the story having more flesh. I am aware, though, that INEC are now saying they are not able to announce the results till Monday. Monday is tomorrow, which is fair enough. There's no reason why they shouldn't be announcing results now. There's no reason, because the elections are taking place. The results would have been transmitted. So now we don't know what the delay is, but Monday is bearable. But if they start to extend it, then the writing will be on the wall. So watch this space. We are monitoring, and I'm sure you are too. So what are your thoughts on this comment by the PDP? Share those thoughts with me in the comment section. That's where the conversation takes place on this channel. And please don't forget to subscribe, because I need to get my numbers up for the YouTube thing. So subscribe and then go leave your comments, and I'll meet you in the comment section. I'll leave you here, meet you there, and I'll say peace.